this is ambition. This the type of car that you keep a bad bitch in. I don't got good vision, but I don't see competition. They want me to come